guys, welcome to my channel. I am Monkey Spot, and today I have a review for you guys. And today I got some stuff my mom got me. I only got 2 stuff in here, but it's still a review because I'm still showing you guys stuff. But let's get into it. So first, my mom, oh, she just fell out of it. It is this thing. It's called Bakugan Battle Brawler, and you put you have these my mom gave me these cards in here. I'm going to show you guys what they are. They are these cards. This, and that's really all of them actually. And next is the Wonder Prize. I really do not know what's in here. What is this? This looks... Oh, okay. So thank you. So I think you connect that together. This is a toy review. Yeah, this is a toy review. This is like a Pokemon thing. How do I push the button to open it? What's the button to open this thing? Oh, these things look kind of cool. What? I don't know what to do with these though. That's the sad part. Oh, there you go. So it can go out like that. Now I see how you do. So I got this one completed. I already got that completed. Oh, this one looks easy. Got that. These are like Pokemon balls. But oh, this is like a Rubik's Cube. I like this. And here's another thing I got. It looks like Sky Diamond. But this thing looks the coolest. Look at this. I like this. I think you guys like it too. It really is amazing. I like this thing. And also I got so this one you go like that. You go like that. Then you see you push back to make it go back. You push back and then ta-da! Wait, I forgot I just said ta-da! And I didn't even get to finish it. There you go. Once you do that, that's how you open it. Oh my god, that was awesome! Okay, and then how you do. Ooh, this one looks kind of cool, actually. So you see, you push up like that, and then you close it, and then you do the exact same thing on the other side. So now you can just do this. Now I can just go like this. Like here, I just did it. Oh, this thing just popped out. Oh my gosh, I just saw something. Oh, this is actually awesome. Thank you guys who send me this stuff. Oh, that was cool. That was super cool. I want to try that again. Pikachu, I choose you. Oh, look at this. I love this. Okay, so wait, Pikachu, I choose you. It literally went like. This looks like a dragon. This is a dragon. Close that up. What is this? Oh, this is like a snake. Yeah, this is like a viper or something like that. And the other side just open. Now you put the head down. What's this, I wonder? you go. Now you're opening. This is like a hawk. And this. That actually bounced the cool. Bounce. Make a bounce. Shake a break a make a bounce. This looks like a really cool color. I like color that match a lot. But this is the big baby. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys do enjoy my review. I'm going to put these back together. Then I'll show you all of them. Just one last look. First I need to put them all together. So I can do that. I think this is actually the best thing I had. This is actually the best toy review. I think this is like this is the first one and the best toy review actually I ever done. Here you go gentle. What is this? Oh, guys, I love this so much. I love this so much, especially this card. I'm gonna put these back in here. Gosh, I didn't even take this long, and it's already the best thing ever I have ever gotten. Come on, get together. Oh, shoot. No. Oh, no. That was just a fail. I can't get this. I guess it'll be good like that. My favorite will be right there. That. Got to close this thing up. I actually had one of these when I was little. Whenever I was like 5 or something. I don't know how old I was, to be honest. And when I got these, I was like, how did it do that? But now, since I'm older, I actually know how it does that. And this connects to something. What does it connect to? Oh my god, I made something! You can actually add stuff together. With this one, you can actually add some balls to it. I think you can add this one too. I love this video so much. Hi guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I worked really hard and